Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be working on the Polaris RZR and the all-new Boomba Racing gas cap. To get started, make sure you have the following tools to complete the install. Remove the stock gas cap. Use small screwdriver to remove stock cap from attached plastic. Remove plastic inner ring. Install the plastic ring in the Boomba Racing gas cap. Be sure to install the OEM plastic ring as shown in the photos. Install Boomba gas cap onto stock base. Install provided snap ring and screw the entire cap down until you hear it click twice. And you're done. Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Like and subscribe for more like this.